Hi everyone, this is Imran Bhagwan. This is our first lecture of scholarship of Standard 8 Mathematics. In this lesson, we will see the solution with explanation of exercise 1.1 of lesson number system. For lesson number system, I had made one video before also in which I had explained what is number system, what is natural number, whole number, real number and irrational number. If you want to see that video, so link of that video I have given in the description box. So by clicking or by touching on that link, you can see the video for number system also, okay, in which all number system is explained by me. Okay, so let us start with the solution of exercise 1.1 from the textbook Navneet scholarship examination. Okay, before that, if you have not subscribed this channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell icon, so whenever we will upload our new videos, so you will get notification for that. Okay, so from exercise 1.1, first question we have here. In the number 94534 means 94,534, how many times is the place value of the digit 4 on the right to that of left? And four options are there. First one is 100 times, second one is 1 divided by 1000 times, third one is 1 divided by 100 times, and fourth one is 1000 times. Okay, so you have to select which is the correct option, 1, 2, 3 or 4. So first you have to understand the question. Question is in the number 94534. Okay. So how to solve this question? First write the number. So our number is 94534, in which this 4 is written at the right side and second 4 is this is left side. So what is the value, place value of this 4 which is written at the right side? Yes, this 4 is at unit place. And this 4 is unit, 10, 100 and 1000. So this 4 is at which place? 1000 place. So question is what? How many times is the place value of digit 4 on the right side to that of left side? How many times place value of 4 to the right side, means this 4 which is written at the right side, its place value is unit place. So how many times place value of this 4 to that of left side? To that of left side means to this 4, how many times, by which number you will multiply to get the value of 4 which is at right side. Okay, it means यहाँ पे जो 4 है ये 1000 प्लेस पे है. ओके, और यहाँ पे जो राइट साइड में 4 है ये यूनिट प्लेस पे है. तो 1000 प्लेस से इस 4 को यूनिट प्लेस पे लाने के लिए हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, यानी कौन से नंबर से आपको इस 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके ये जो 4 है 1000 प्लेस से यूनिट प्लेस पे आ जाएगा. ओके, in order to understand this question, first write this number in expanded form. Expanded form means this is first 4, so 4 plus this one is 3, 10 plus means 30 plus 5 at which place? 100 place, so it will become like 500, and this 4 is at 1000 place, so 4000. So we have to bring this 4 at this place, 4000 to unit place. So by which number you will multiply this 4000, so you will get only 4. And you know, after multiplication, value of number increases, not decreases. But here we have to multiply 4000 by number. The value of 4000 should decrease. जनरली मल्टीप्लाई करने पे क्या होता है, वैल्यू इंक्रीज होती है. 4000 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई 8000 बनेगा, वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी. बट हमें ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है 4000 को, इसकी वैल्यू इंक्रीज ना हो बल्कि फिर 4000 से 4 बने. ओके, मीन्स यहाँ के 0 0 कट होने चाहिए. इफ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस 4000 by 1 divided by 10. Okay, means 4000 into 1 divided by 10 times, then what will happen? This 0 and this 0 will get cut because 10 is in division with 4000. Okay. If now 4000 become 400 only, यानी वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 4000 से 100 प्लेस पे, 1000 प्लेस से 100 प्लेस पे वैल्यू आ गई, तो वैल्यू इज डिक्रीजिंग. इफ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100, 1 डिवाइड बाय 100, so again this 0 and this 0 will get cut. Now 4000 became 40, तो वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 1000 प्लेस से 10 प्लेस पे आ गई 4 की वैल्यू. If you will multiply this number by 1 divided by 1000, so again this 1 0 and 1 0 will get cut. Now 4000 become 4 only. Okay, 1000 प्लेस से यूनिट प्लेस के ऊपर इसकी वैल्यू आ गई. So by converting the place value from 4000 to 4, by which number we have multiplied 4000? We have multiplied it by 1 divided by 1000. Okay, means, and in question what is asked, how many times is the place value of digit 4? So how many times means how many, by which number you have multiplied? We have multiplied 4000 by 1 divided by 1000. So how many times? 1 divided by 1000 times. How many times? 1 divided by 1000 times the place value of digit 4 on the right side, place value of digit 4 on the right side to that of left. So our answer is 1 divided by 1000. Check whether this option is given or not given in the question. So if you will see, second option is 1 divided by 1000. So in the answer we have to fill the correct circle. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. So in answer, by black pen you have to fill this second circle because our second answer is right. So you just have to fill this by. Okay, you got it. Likewise we have to solve remaining questions also. Question is 3 plus 2p and 5 plus 3q are the digits in the 1000 and 10 places respectively of the number 84527. Find the values of p and q. Okay, first write the number 84527. In this number 3 plus 2p is at 1000 place. Okay, and 5 plus 3q is at 10 place respectively. So 3 plus 2p is at 1000 place. So which number is at 1000 place here? You need 10, 100, 1000. So 4 is at 1000 place. So value of 4 is what? 3 plus 2p. So value of 4 is 3 plus 2p because 3 plus 2p is at 1000 place. It is given in the question. And 5 plus 3q is at 10 place. So which number is at 10 place? 2 is at 10 place. So value of 2 is what? 5 plus 3q. 5 plus 3q. This is the value of 2 here. So we have to find the value of p and q. So 3 plus 2p is at 1000 place. So in this number at 1000 place 4 is there. It means value of 3 plus 2p is 4. So value of 3 plus 2p equal to 4. And value of 5 plus 3q is equal to 2. 5 plus 3q is equal to 2. So we got here two equations with one variable. This is first equation, this is second equation. In first equation we can find the value of p, and in second equation we can find the value of q. You know how to find the value because this is the equation in one variable which you all have solved in 7th standard. So 2p equal to 4. This 3 will come to this side and will become 4 minus 3. Therefore 2p equal to 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. Therefore value of p equal to this 2 will go to this side, 1 divided by 2. Okay, so we got here value of p equal to 1 divided by 2 means 0.5. So this is our value of p. From first equation we got value of p. When if we will solve second equation we will get value of q also. Then 5 will go to this side, it will become 3q equal to 2 minus 5. Okay, therefore 3q equal to 2 minus 5 is equal to 2 से 5 माइनस नहीं होगा, then 5 minus 2 3, and sign of greater number is 5 and its sign is minus, so answer is minus 3. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. When this 3 will go to this side, it will go in divide, so it will become minus 3, and this 3 will go in divide by minus 3. So minus 3 divided by minus 3 is minus 1. Therefore q equal to minus 1. So what is our answer? Our answer is value of p is, we have to find the value of p and q. Okay, so value of p we got here 0.5, and value of q we got here minus 1. Okay, so 0.5 and minus 1, this is our answer. So which option is with 0.5 and minus 1? So in question, if you will see, option number 4 is 0.5 and minus 1. Okay, so in answer, what you will do? So option number 4 is the correct answer. So in answer, you have to fill the option number 4. Okay, now we will go for third question. Question number 3 is, what is the difference in the place value of the digit 8 in the number 9380568? Okay, 4 options are there, and you have to find only the difference between the place value of 8, because 8 is 2 times. 8 is 2 times in this number. First, this 8 is at unit place, and this 8 is at, that is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so this 8 is at 10,000 place, and this 8 is at unit place. So we have to find the difference between the place value. Okay, so if you will write this in expanded form, how it will become? This is 80,000. Okay, this 8 is at 10,000 place, so value of this 8 is what? 80,000. So 80,568. Okay, so 80,000, how will you write it? 80,000, and this 8 is at unit place only, so its value is 8 only. So we have to find the difference between 80,000 and 8, and difference means what? You have to do the subtraction. Difference means minus. If you will minus this from 8,000, if you will minus 8 from 8,000, so we will get the difference between the place values. So I think all scholars are watching this video, so no need to explain how the subtraction is to be done. 8,000 minus 8, so it will become 0 minus 8 is not possible, so it will borrow 1 from this side. So how it will become? This will become 7, 9, 9, 9, and this will become 10. Okay, so 10 minus 8, 2, this 9 as it is, this 9 as it is, this 9 as it is, and this is 7. So our answer is 79,992. So this is the difference between the place value of 8 in this number. Okay, so which option is this? Is this option given in the question? Yes, first option is 79992. So our first option is correct. First option is correct, so we have to fill the first circle, that is option number 1. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, in the number 9540732, how many times is the place value of digit 4 than that of the digit 2? This is our number 9540732, in which we have to find how many times is the place value of digit 4 than that of 2. Place value of digit 4 than that of 2. Okay, so place value of 2 is at unit place. Okay, 2 is at unit place, and 4 is at unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 4 is at 10,000 place. So we have to find how many times value of 4 to that of 2. Means by which number we will have to multiply 2 in order to get this 4, so 4 is at 10 place, so it is 40,000. Okay, and this is only 2. So from the value 2, in order to get 40,000, by which number you will have to multiply 2. 2 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि 2 की वैल्यू जो है 40,000 बन जाएंगी. Okay, how many times means you have to do multiplication. So if you will write it in expanded form, so 40,000 will become like this: 4 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is 40,000 and this is 2. By which number you will multiply 2? So it will become 40,000. So simply in order to get the answer, we will divide 40,000 by 2. So 40,000 divided by 2 equal to, it's 2 ones are 2. So answer is 20,000. Answer is 20,000. So this is our answer. Okay, question is what? How many times the place value of digit 4? So 20,000 times the place value of digit 4 than that of 2. So this is our answer. So 20,000. If this option is there in the question, so third option is 20,000. So we have to fill which circle? Yes, only circle number 3, because third option is correct answer. Now question number 5 is, what would be the difference between the place values of the digits at the 10 and unit places of the number formed by addition of greatest 6-digit number and smallest 3-digit number? Okay, greatest 6-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. So first write greatest 6-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. So greatest 6-digit number is 6 times we have written 9, because 9 is the greatest number, and smallest 3-digit number, that is 100 only, because 100 is the first 3-digit number, so it is the smallest 3-digit number. And in question it is given that what would be the difference between the place value of digits at the 10 and unit place of the number formed by addition of greatest 6-digit and smallest 3-digit number. Okay, by the addition of greatest 6-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. So first we have to do addition of these two number. So its addition would be 9 plus 1, this will become 10, 1 carry, again it will become 10, again 1 carry, again it will become 10, then 1 carry, so it will become 10 now. Now we have to show here difference between, now we got new number here, this one, and in this number formed by the addition of these two number, in this number unit place, at unit place is 9 and at 10 place is also 9. Okay, so we have to tell the difference between the number at unit place and 10 place. Okay, so write both number in expanded form. Okay, so 9 is 9 only at unit place, and at 10 place also 9, but it is 99, so value of this 9 is 90. Okay, so this 9 is at 10 place and this 9 is at unit place. Difference means we have to do the minus, so 90 minus 9 is 81. So 81 is our answer. If this answer is given in the option, yes, option number first is 81 only. So in answer, 81 is our answer. So first option is 81. So in answer column, we have to fill which circle? First one, that is 81. So fill first circle. Question number 6 is, what will be the sum of adding all possible 3-digit numbers formed by 4, 6, 9 using each of the digit once only? Okay, what will be the sum of adding all possible 3-digit number? Means by using 4, 6, 9, by using these 3 digits, we have to form 3-digit number, but there is one condition, each digit should come once only, यानी एक digit एक ही बार आना चाहिए. For example 4, 6, 9, it should not be 466. Like this we cannot form any digit because we cannot repeat the digit. One digit should come only once. Okay, so what is the addition? What will be the sum of adding? Sum means we have to do addition of all possible 3-digit number. So by using 469, first we will form all possible 3 digits number. Okay, so by using this 3-digit, first we will write all possible 3-digit number. So first number we will write this only, 469. Okay, second we will keep 4 at 100 place only. We will just exchange this 2 number. So it is 496. Okay, second what we will do, we will take 6 at 100 place. So it will become 6, then 49, 649. Then again 6 here only, 9 here and 4 here. So 6, 9, 4. Second time we will take 9 at 100 place. So it will become 9, then 4, then what is remain, 6. And again 9 at 100 place only. Then 6 at 10 place, 4. Okay, so by using different method, we have formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3-digit number by using these 3 digits. Okay, you check if any other possibilities are there. I got only 6 possibilities here. So we have to do addition of all these numbers. So by adding all these number, I got answer here 4218. So this is the sum of addition of all possible 3 digits number. Is this answer is given 4218 given in the answer? Yes. If you see, second option is 4218. Okay. So in answer column we will fill second circle. So second option is correct. So we will fill second only. Okay. The question number 7. Which of the following is the smallest 6-digit number having digits other than 4 and 7? Okay, so here digits are 4 numbers are given and we have to find the smallest 6-digit number. So out of these 4 numbers we have to find the smallest number. So first we will check first number. Here also 1 1 1. So first number is same. At lakh place all the numbers are 1. Okay, then we will go for second number. Second number means at 10,000 place, here also 0, here also 0, here also 0, here also 0. Okay, after that we will go for 1000 place. 1000 place, this is 3000, this one is also 3000, this one is 2000, this one is also 2000. Okay, so possibility of these 2 number is not here because this is 3000, this is 3000 and these 2 numbers are 2000. Now we have to check only these 2 numbers. This is 2356 and 2365. Out of this 2 number, this number is the smallest number. But what is the condition here? Smallest 3-digit number, smallest 6-digit number having digits other than 4 and 7. Means this number should not be divided by 4 and 7. So if we will observe here 56 is there, this number is divided by 4. If we will divide 102356 by 4, then we will, and the fourth option 102365, this number is not divided by 4 as well as 7. Okay, so this is the right answer, 102365. So if you will see option number 4, it is 102365. So we have to write option number 4. So we have to fill circle number 4 only.